How to link Twitter account to Facebook page. So let's get started. First and foremost, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device. Now, if you're logged into your Facebook account, now you have to switch your Facebook account with your Facebook page. For that, tap on your profile icon along with the three line from the top right corner below that chat icon. That will take you to your mini page. Now, to switch your Facebook account to your Facebook page, tap on this arrow icon next to your profile name. From here, select your page. That will directly take you to your Facebook page. Now, once you get to the home page of your Facebook page, tap on the profile icon from the top left corner below the home icon. That will take you to your profile page in the Facebook page. Here, scroll down a bit and under this button, that is add to story, and next to advertise button, there is three dot button. Tap on that and you will land on page settings. Here, tap on edit option at the first. Here, scroll down a bit and at the very end, there you will find an option as links. So tap on add. Now on this page, there you will find an option to add social link. Tap on add social link. Then again tap on platform. Now you have to select Twitter. After that, you have to type in your username. Now once you're done typing your username, tap on this tick mark from it. Now you have to save your links as well. So tap on this save button from the top right corner. And here you have added your Twitter account to your Facebook page. Now if you like to view that, go back from this edit page, then tap on view as. Scroll down and then under your profile name, there you have your Twitter account. So that's how you can add a Twitter account to your Facebook page. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.